Welcome back to Totally Car Mad. Today we are continuing our look at subsets of the car market. And today we are specifically looking at the fastest four-wheel drive cars for under £5,000. Yes, four-wheel drives under £5,000 using our usual criteria of under 100,000 miles. So we don't get any outliers that shouldn't really fit into this bracket. And the same with excluding written off cars. We don't want something that really should be in a higher bracket that gets in here because it's in pieces. We want genuine roadworthy cars you can jump in and use. And you will be able to see already, this class is dominated. And I mean dominated by Audi, and specifically the TT. The 3.2, the 3.2, the 2 litre, hard top, soft top. There's some other Audis in here as well, but we'll look at those in a moment. But it is pretty much an Audi takeover in this class. But let's start off with this sleeper of a Volvo S80 with a 4.4, yes, I will say that once more, a 4.4 litre V8. Oh my goodness! If that is not a sleeper car, I don't know what is. That is as normal a four-door saloon as you will find anywhere. Lovely bit of Goodyear on there. I mean, this is... your granddad could have that, couldn't he? That is totally average. And yet, it packs a 4.4 litre V8. Let's have a look at the numbers. Drum roll, please. 6 seconds, 0 to 60. Top speed of 155 miles an hour. Engine power, 310 brake horsepower and 440 newton meters of torque. Obviously, 4.4 litre V8 isn't going to give you 50 miles per gallon, but 23.7 out of a 4 litre V8. That is pretty impressive, to be quite honest. And this car has done 88,000 miles and has an all-wheel drive system. It's probably the same all-wheel drive system that is on the XC90 or something like that. This is, wow, a sleeper and a half amongst all these Audi TTs. So let's look at a TT. We have to. They're in here. They're everywhere. Let's have a look at this 3.2 litre V6 Quattro. We all know the TT. We all know what they look like. We all know about Audi. Let's have a look at the numbers. 5.9 seconds. Wow. That's a quick car. All-wheel drive. 5.9 seconds. It's under £5,000. 247 brake horsepower. 320 newton meters of torque. And still giving 27.4 miles per gallon. That isn't so bad, is it? What do you think of the 3.2 V6 Quattro? That's a pretty epic car, to be honest. Now let's have a look at a slightly different variant of the same car, the convertible or roadster. Again, coming in under our price bracket. This car, as you can see, has dropped in price since it was first listed the 28th of April. It's dropped gradually. It's now 750 quid less than it was first advertised at. 81,000 miles. What are the numbers? 5.6 seconds. My goodness, that is quicker than the 3.2. Shows you what a big turbo can do, hey? And 34 miles per gallon. 268 horsepower. My goodness, Audi know how to turbocharge a car. That is pretty amazing. And it's a convertible. I think we've got a video about that as well, haven't we? If not, there'll be one coming up. So, for under £5,000, 5.6 seconds, 0 to 60, 81,000 miles. It's convertible. It's four-wheel drive. It's quite economical. What is there not to love about that car? Let me know what you think. Let's have a look at a slightly different variant of an Audi, a bigger one. Room for a, bag of shopping on the back seats as well. 4.2 Quattro. Come on. Another monster of an engine. All the same interiors in an Audi. It looks like it's got some service history with it as well. And why not? Let's have a look at the numbers on this. 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds. Still not as quick as that TT, but of course, you can carry two midgets around with you in the back as well. 20.3 miles per gallon. Not epic, really, but look at the power and the torque in this. 339 brake horsepower, 410 Newton meters of torque. 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. Can you believe you get a beautiful convertible 4-seater, 4-wheel drive for £4,200? That has got to be worth a like. So, if you're looking to buy a 4-wheel drive that is fast, is under 100,000 miles and costs you less than £5,000, you have got all of these Audis and a Volvo to choose from. If it was your money on the table, what is your weapon of choice? I think my money's on a 2-litre turbocharged TT convertible. Thanks for taking the time to watch. More videos coming out soon. Let me know what you would like me to do a review on next.